Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I was able to find the Naked Drama collection at another Walgreens store, but right now I'm in a rush, so I have to hurry up. So I'm just gonna do one eyelash, and the next one, I don't know if I will do one or two, but I'll see, because it just takes a lot of work to put on and take off and put on and take off eyelashes. So right now I'm gonna do a quick one. So I'm gonna do this, hopefully I'm pronouncing it right, Chiffon. But anyways, I'm gonna take my eyelashes on that I'm wearing right now, my veil that I love so much. I'm gonna take it off and then I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna run it through, I'm just gonna put it on real quick and then just review it. Okay, there we go. Look how cute these are. Oh my god. These are hecka cute. These right here are my go-to. No, I'm just kidding. No, I don't know if I could. No, I mean, I probably could. I heard really good things about this. This specific lash, and when I looked at it, I was like, oh, that's a little too much. But girl, look at this. Oh my. Okay. For someone who doesn't like too much, then okay, this is too much. Nothing's too much for me. Okay. Sorry, I'm just so happy about it. Look at them. They're heck of long. Like you can see, like they're touching my eyebrow. But it's okay, I'm fine with that. No. They're heck of cute. They are heck of long, but I don't mind it. If you guys don't mind it, then don't mind it. Yeah, look at that. These by far, I like my veils because they look so just, they're not too much and they're not too little. But these right here, they're really cute, especially like going out or just, you know, I don't know. It could be for an everyday thing. I mean, if you like this kind of stuff, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. If you like this kind of length, but they literally are touching my eyebrows, like, but it's not a bad look. They're not like, boom, you know, ding. No, they're like, they're natural looking too. They're kind of like the veils, just a little bit longer. So I really like them. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I will be doing the other two lashes this Friday, or I might have a different, maybe switch it up, because you know I'm doing a lot of eyelashes, but I don't mind it. I'm sure you guys don't either. Stay tuned for my next video, and you need to go get some of these right here. So at least just if you're gonna go out. I mean, these right here, look at them. Look. Oh my god. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.
Hi everybody. Yeah, like you always do me. Hi everybody.